Ìgbà yangi tó dojú dé tán ní aṣí. A ní òṣèṣí wọn ní afọ. Bá a bá wa fọ tán, kò wá ní bu igbá tá a fi gba igba ìgbà lọ́jà àgbà. Sometimes some advice are not useful. Don't act rashly when a situation is at hand. Don't listen to every advice that comes your way because when the table turns, you'll be surprised that you'll be left alone. You see, we are born to be like our parent, but we are left to die looking like our decision. Whatever decision you make today can hurt you badly tomorrow. Those people that are giving you that advice, you'll be shocked that they will all turn against you. They will turn their back against you, and you'll be wondering why. You'll be wondering why. You'll be asking yourself, what went wrong? My dear, nothing. Nothing went wrong. Oh. It's because they are made to be in your life at that moment and tell you whatever comes their mind. But if you take it and act harshly, when the consequence comes, you face it alone.